Sadly, the time has come. We're trying to get rid of as much weight as we can out of the 4-rotor, and a lot of weight comes from about 48 gallons of fuel. We've got this quick fuel cell from Summit, and it's 10 gallons? 10 gallons exactly, and not too bad. So I'm gonna fit this guy in there and take that guy out. But we gotta take all the fuel out. So luckily our barrel just emptied this weekend. Gonna run the pumps and then fill her up with whatever she has.
Gonna run it right this time?
Yeah, Kev, if you're watching this, you know brush assist pumps need a controller, right? They need a controller, just letting you know. Look at how much fuel. This is just a lifter pump. This is just lifting to the search tank. And this is just one of the pumps?
Yep, one lifter pump.
Geez, there's two in there. That's full, by the way. That's how strong I am.
There's a lot of room in there.
Now we have this small baby thing.
I've had my Simply Safe system for so long and no maintenance involved that you can see all the little cobwebs and everything, not a single issue. And even now, you can tell one of the cool features of this is that I've disconnected it from power and you can see it's pulsing, so it's got its own internal battery. One of the things that I absolutely love about Simply Safe, the entire time I've been using it, I pay for it like everybody else, nothing special, is the quality of customer service. I've had the Simply Safe system so long that cell phones have changed, 5G, all the different Gs. Simply Safe went another way and messaged me, sending me this little card to install into my base unit. All included. It was all free. It was all part of your service. Simply Safe to me is something that the name defines exactly how I feel. Simply Safe. All the different things that I care about, making sure are in good order while I'm gone, or even while I am here, is all covered with that system. The indoor and outdoor cameras. You've got your keypad with the panic button if you really need that. The temperature sensors, glass break sensors, door entry sensors, all wonderful things. It's almost a bummer I don't get to set it up every month because it's a real fun system to unbox. It works, so I don't need to do any of that. If you're interested in saving 20% off your order and getting your first month's free if you sign up for interactive monitoring, go to simplysafe.com/RobDahm to do that. simplysafe.com/RobDahm.
And that makes it strong AF. So I have the assembly out. It's like some chalk or whatever, nothing too crazy. I kind of clean most of it off for the most part. But so the other tank is way taller. This tank is 8.5 inches from the bottom of the tank to the lip of the tank. So we gotta drop this guy to the correct height. Put this all the way at the bottom. Oh. Luckily, these guys have like a little cutting point, and I never went below that. I believe this is actually for this case. Just cut it off right there and call it a day. Perfect. I just opened a brand new barrel because we're already done with one. The 3-rotor drinks a lot of fuel, more than I was anticipating. We're gonna go ahead and fill up the smaller fuel cell for the first time.
I picked a bad time to start that. What's really exciting right now is we're gonna weigh the car again for the first time in a year and a half, and it was 3,300 pounds before, but we wanna take a look at how much weight we've shed out of the back just simply with that gas tank. So we've got a couple other things, but we've added a lot, and we've taken some away. So I'm curious to see what our weight distribution is now, and it's gonna be way lighter in the rear than it is in the front. I'm gonna guess it's 3,200 pounds now.
Well, we'll also remove the quarters, all the Bondo and everything.
Oh, wow, that rear is okay. That rear is gonna be quite a bit lighter.
I say 3,000 even, somewhere around there.
I don't know.
So they're all connected, okay. Right, okay, that looks good. Now it's lower.
What do you think?
Like I said, I'm gonna stick with high 3100s.
You can't because
I know. I don't want to be let down. Okay.
It doesn't make sense.
3250.
How? That makes no sense.
It's 150 pounds less. It's close to 150 pounds less.
That's 50 pounds less because it was at 330.
It was 330 and 80 or something like that. I think we just rounded it down. God, we work out really hard and we still keep gaining weight. I don't know.
Anything crazy though.
The wiring, honestly,
150 pounds.
150 pounds. Actually, the FC has like 200 pounds of wire in it. She's a big girl. You just gotta let her love, laugh, and eat. So the only way you can redeem this is by making a lighter manifold.
I will cut 10 pounds out of the manifold. Simple.
Joel asked me to jump in the car and see how the weight balance is with me in it. I feel like that's invasion of my privacy, but.
No, you've been doing good. You've been
eating well. I know I weigh 204. I checked this morning right after I took a dump. These are just for educational purposes. We don't. These might not be accurate.
Oh my god. You did not weigh 204. You're 900 pounds. It made this side more even.